This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error 0xc8000444 while trying to update Windows on your computer, then please read through this article for the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Disk Cleanup tool. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on the application to open it. The Disk Cleanup application might need a few seconds to load. Check all the boxes. Click on OK to save the settings. The second solution is to reset the SoftwareDistrubition folder. This can be done using the Fix Win tool. Go to the Additional Fixes tab on the left pane. In the right pane, go to Quick Fixes. Click on Reset SoftwareDistrubition folder. The third solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command WSRESET and hit Enter to clear the Windows Store cache. The fourth solution is to run the Windows Update and Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. Now, scroll down to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it, too. The last solution is to download and install the updates from the Microsoft Update Catalog website manually. Go to the website catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search bar, search for the latest month and year in YYYY/MM format. For example, I will search for 2023/05. A few updates will appear on the page. Please download and install the latest ones. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.